Here is a tip or a fix in Screenflow 10 related to keyboard shortcuts. Have you ever heard that sound when you press a keyboard shortcut? You know you've used that keyboard shortcut many times in the past, but now it's not working and you're only getting this annoying sound. Here is the issue and the fix. Open Screenflow settings. Click on Screenflow settings or use the keyboard shortcut Cmd Comma. Click on shortcuts, change the keyboard shortcut set from the default keyboard shortcut to your custom keyboard shortcuts, as it's likely you created a custom shortcut that is not in the default Screenflow settings and you just need to change it to make sure that you're on your own custom keyboard shortcuts. That is a fix in Screenflow 10. My name is Mike Murphy. Cheers.